and the Sudbury Workers Education and Advocacy Centre. We are a small non-profit organization made up of workers, students, and community volunteers, all dedicated to improving the lives and working conditions of people, especially those in low-waged. Provide public legal information. We can help you one-on-one if you've got questions or need to resolve issues, legal issues around work.
Functional resume. What is a functional resume? As what the name implies, function. It is ideal for those with gaps in the work history. Say you take 2 years break, 1 year break, half a year break, or something like that. For chronological, you did this, you did that. It's chronological in a reverse order, but this one focus more on your skills and abilities. And for this type of resume, it is important to be aware of them. That you need to focus your transferable skills. And this is one example of a functional resume. And the third type, hybrid resume, trained job seekers. For those people with an already established work history, everything's great, and also those individuals with multiple career tracks. You might want to consider using hybrid resume. And that is one example of what a hybrid resume looks like. I've added it. For each application, you gotta do that. It sounds a lot of work. It is a lot of work, but you have to do it that way. Otherwise, we're gonna talk about you won't be able to pass the ATS system. And you also want to save the resume in a compatible file format, be it this one or PDF. Both are good. Formatting and design. You just mentioned about the font, right? Here, 10 to 12 point size would be a good standard one. And you want to use clean and professional font. Of course, maintain the consistent formatting throughout. Same font size for all headings.
To do this job, if that's the case with you, right? And so I'm just like, well, since I think that, I'm going to just directly ask, are you a single parent? Oh, you are? All right. Interview over, thanks, we're done, right? Are you married? You are? Not going to work, sorry, thank you, right? Yes, you do have that flexibility. Maybe you are a single parent, but maybe again you have a grandparent or a sister or aunt or uncle that can take the kids at a drop of at any given notice, right? And so it's not a problem for you to be able to do the job and be that single parent, right? And sure, you're saying you're asking all the candidates to do this, but what if you really like my pitch but decide to hire somebody else, but then you use my pitch? Do you know what I mean? Like,
there's quantifiable results, and also doing all this while doing all this, you want to keep it concise, professional, free from personal information. And finally, continuously update your resume as you gain new skills and experiences. We mentioned that before. We are here for you.
To try and find a resolution either directly with your employer or to file a claim if necessary. Our services are free and confidential. And if you've got other legal questions, we can help you with those as well. And that's how you get a hold of us.
Yes, you might want to take a picture of this. You need cover letter, LinkedIn, and interview preparation as well, and also your job search strategy. Those are the things that we can help you with. And also, if you want to find a good program in school to study here in Canada, we'll help you with that as well. If you want to improve your English or French to boost your PR application, we can help with that. And also, we offer personal support like one-on-one mentoring and career planning.